आई रिमेंबर शोले तो हमने कुछ 5-6 बार देखी है, और लेकिन शोले का जो रिकॉर्ड था, एक रिकॉर्ड डायलॉग्स और गानों का एक रिकॉर्ड बनाया था। आई थिंक दो 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 रिकॉर्ड्स में था वो, फर्स्ट हाफ और सेकंड हाफ। आई थिंक वो तो हम लोग तो वही सुना करते थे घर में, या और वेर एवर यू वेंट, वो आपको लोगों के घरों से वो शोले का बैकग्राउंड, शोले के गाने, शोले के डायलॉग्स वही सुनाया दिया करता था।
सोचा नहीं था कि 50 साल तक चलेगा, बट इट इज़, एंड इट इज़ ए मोस्ट वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस हु एवर पार्टिसिपेटेड इन दिस फिल्म शोले.
आज भी एक बड़ी हिट मानी जाती है तमाम दर्शकों को.
Yeah, that is why it is celebrating 50 years ना. So it's a very joyful moment for all of us. हमारे लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है, खुशी का एक अवसर है. जितने लोगों ने काम किया उस फिल्म में, we are all very happy about it.
I have a blood relation with that film. Besides that, I mean, you know, it's an iconic film. I have watched it millions of times. I've made my daughters watch it. It's one of their Nanu Nani's films that they enjoy watching. And it's again such a simple formula which has worked, and it's a film which even today's filmmakers pick up things to learn from. Completing 50 years is, I think, I don't know, for me I would say time flies. I think my parents would be the right people to, you know, ask, and Jaya ji and Amit ji and all.
No, I like revisiting some of the good old modern classics, and Sholay being right on top, and it just takes you in, you know, every aspect of that film. It is so special. Of course, it's been a part of my growing up. It's like one of the first few films I would have watched and enjoyed, and like probably made me fall in love with movies because of that. You know, Jai Veeru and Gabbar, and God, yeah, it's a part of our culture.
Yeah.
Sholay is bigger than, it's not just a film. It's like it's a part of our culture. So glad to know that it's been 50 years. Wow.
So for me, I was so lucky to be on the sets of Sholay. Or I still remember those days that they were shooting in Bangalore, and we used to drive down to this place. और वो विलेज, वहाँ गांव की शूटिंग थी रामगढ़. तो तब से आज तक उस जगह को रामगढ़ ही बुलाते हैं. और मैं I was a big fan of Jaya ji, like a big fan. मतलब मैं उनकी फोटो रखता था, फिर मैं अपनी ग्रैंडमदर से कहता था जब उनकी फिल्म लगती थी कि मुझे ले जाओ थिएटर देखने के लिए. तो I remember seeing her walking. The whole cast was there. Amjad ji was there, Amit ji, everyone, and I saw Jaya ji walking, and I was really excited to see her. And I've seen the 4-hour version of it, unedited. I've seen so much more than others have seen, and I still remember those moments. So I think it's amazing. That film is like a landmark for people after it was made. But the most amazing part is that my dad, a year before that, did a film called Mera Gaon Mera Desh. And the story is the same.
Yeah.
उसमें एक अकेला आदमी है जो गांव में आता है जेल से, और वहाँ पर एक रिटायर्ड आर्मी ऑफिसर जो उनको जगह देता है, और वही वहाँ पर एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिससे पापा का रिलेशनशिप बनता है, और कैसे डाकू जो विनोद जी ने प्ले किया था उसमें उनका नाम जब्बर था, इसमें गब्बर कर दिया था. तो इट वाज जस्ट अमेजिंग दैट एक कहानी वो भी बड़ी हिट थी, लेकिन उसी कहानी को उठा के शोले बनी, वो तो एक द बिगेस्ट ब्लॉकबस्टर बन गई, एंड उसमें दोनों में पापा थे. सो आई नो सो मच अबाउट इट.
प्रकाश जी, आप और शोले?
Well, Sholay, watching it multiple times when it was released, and marveling what films can do to you, and you know the world they can create, and who can ever forget Gabbar?
Yeah.
My God.
डायलॉग्स की कसरत में याद है प्रकाश जी, सबको सब सिर्फ गब्बर सिंह के डायलॉग बोलने थे. मतलब इट वेंट सच अ बिग क्रेज.
तेरा क्या होगा कालिया.
कितने
And even today we keep using like in your office there is someone says तेरा क्या होगा कालिया, तेरा भी टाइम पूरा हो गया.
as Rashri, we distributed Sholay almost the complete India. We were the distributors, and I know the tensions that happened. First 4 days, the film did not do well, and then it picked up. And I was a part of that. I was very small, but I know that. But what really amazes me is the kind of finish and the kind of perfection was made at that time when there was no VFX. The train sequence in Sholay is an example. You can keep seeing how to execute without any VFX, without any harnesses, nothing. It's really amazing how they did it. And I was telling Palash that Sippy sir, मिक्सिंग हो रही थी लंदन में, एक पायल चाहिए था तो पायल आए, इंडिया में रिकॉर्ड किया, फिर लेके गए. So I think that was the passion.
I was fortunate enough to watch Sholay in its first run, though in its 6th year. It was 1979 that I watched Sholay. I was 7 years old, and I watched it in the cinema Minerva, which was called the Pride of Maharashtra, and I watched it with a full house on a Sunday morning. I have memories of watching Andhi, of watching Guru Dutt's work, watching Sholay in a cinema house, watching Raj Kapoor's Magic, watching all the names you just mentioned, all of them when I was 8 to 12, in that age bracket. They've embodied me, they've inspired me, they have made me the filmmaker I am today. Of course, never matching the genius of the greats and the legends, but I believe that we are empowered because of these masters that gave us that legacy.
All of us who've seen Sholay while growing up have been influenced by it, you know, on a subconscious level only.
Yeah.
I think our love for mainstream movies came from our love for Sholay. And its performances. Very rarely do films come along where you remember every single character, down to a guy who says one line. You know, you remember the name of that person. It's very, very rare something like that happens. So it's now become a part of our collective consciousness only, that movie. You know, you can meet any Indian and start discussing Sholay with them, and 100% they'll have a conversation with you about it. Yeah. So it's like something that connects us in a weird way.
Right.
So I loved that film. It was a mainstream, entertaining film which was incredibly made for its time. जब आप उस फिल्म को आज भी देखो तो ऐसा, it doesn't look dated at all. It looks like it could have been made now. Technically, it's a very, very superior film. Yeah, it's just an amazing film that you can keep going back to and watch it from wherever you want.
Wherever you want.
All-time favorite Gabbar Singh was always, and it's a film that we all have grown up. It's a Bible of Indian cinema, and we wish that many more Sholays should come in coming years so that we set example for the coming generation.
शोले वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मूवी जो है, मेरी फेवरेट मूवी है. चाहे उसकी डायरेक्शन देखो, चाहे उसकी पिक्चराइजेशन देखो, चाहे उनके डायलॉग्स देखो, आज तक उससे बड़ी कोई मूवी हुई नहीं है, ना होगी.
Sholay was a film, when I saw it, I mean it was 75, that was the time when I was actually going abroad for my further studies, and मैं उसका trial देख कर गया था. So that was my memory of that film, and obviously Papa, so he has always been an actor whom I've always whom I've always say is the best actor according to me. जिन्होंने इस तरह के the body of work he's done. And Sholay was one of those films which उस वक्त भी शुरू में लगी थी तो business थोड़ा सा डल था, फिर बाद में जिस तरह से वो उठी, आज भी हम शोले करते रहते हैं.
सही कहा. रणदीप and Vineet?
For me, my first childhood, I mean, I saw it at the age where I didn't really understand the humor or anything, but I loved the horses and the train sequence, that chase. I think somewhere me being a rider comes from watching those sequences, and I really enjoyed it. And you know, later on, as you watch it again and again and again, new things keep coming out of it. But my first memory of being in awe of the movie was the train robbing sequence with the horses. Yeah. That was amazing.
विनीत आपके लिए?
दोस्ती. दोस्ती, वो सिक्का.
बहुत आइकॉनिक मूवी.
या बहुत कुछ है, मतलब
ये दोस्ती,
कितना कुछ, मतलब वो विजुअल आज भी कि दैट बाइक एंड उसके साथ में तो शोले ही याद आती है फिर।
और उसके हर कैरेक्टर had very prominence in that film, and we remember everybody's sequences.
And the background,
even
so
Kaun Hai
strong.
Bhai.
कितने आदमी थे, कितना कुछ है, आधे इधर आधे उधर, बाकी मेरे पीछे, so many things, कितने सारे किरदार, बहुत सारी यादें हैं। पानी की टंकी का वो सीन, कितना कुछ है, ये हाथ मुझे दे दे, एक लाइन आप बोल दो, बाकी का सामने वाला रिपीट कर देगा, ऐसा है वो।
I think it's the most watched cinema in India.
It is.